guys, my name is Jason. Welcome to Fletcher Arms. Today we're going to be talking about American Defense Manufacturing. So this is a new line of products that we have coming into the store. Right here I have one of their rifles. This is a fully ambidextrous AR featuring radian charging handle, safety selectors. This is a full ambi, so you have your bolt lock, magazine release on both sides. Right there. These rifles feature Criterion barrels, Geisley triggers, and the muzzle device of your choosing, which is one of the nice things. If you want a specific trigger put in your gun, just let us know. We can put that in there for you. They will mount whatever suppressor-ready muzzle device or flash hider that you would prefer. Right here we have a Huxworks. They can do Surefire, Dead Air, any of the major brands. You just let us know what can you want to run, and they will thread the muzzle device on there for that can. Not only do they build awesome rifles, they also make fantastic optic mounts. Right here we've got their cantilever mount with the auto locking levers. This is on an LPVO right here. They also make the ring caps to mount red dots. They have offset red dot mounts. They have precision rings. And if you want to get into the PRS game or the precision rifle shooting game, they also have fully built chassis in any caliber of your choosing. You just let us know what it is and they will build it for you. Again, these are coming in right around $2 grand. So I think this one's priced at $2,099. So you're getting Geisley triggers, radian controls, as well as the muzzle device of your choice and a Criterion barrel, all for about $2,000, which is kind of an unbelievable price when you look at the rest of the market here. They have other options as well. So if you want a skeletonized lower receiver, we can do that too. And then if you see right over here, we're also offering laser engraving services. So anything that you want laser engraved on any of your parts, pieces, firearms, we can do that for you as well. All right, thanks guys. Again, my name is Jason. We're at Fletcher Arms here at 1228 Hickory Street. Stop in today, build your custom rifle. We also have a lot of suppressors featuring free tax stamps. I know that bill went through and people are wanting to wait for that $200. We have suppressors ready to go right now for you with free tax stamps. So stop in today and come and see us.